Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hopefully you guys are all doing well. So we are going to try something really exciting, at least to me. This is actually one of my Christmas presents that I got from my sister Rachel and her family this past year. And I have been waiting to give it a try with you guys just so we can kind of document the whole experience and see how easy it is to use. Today we are going to play around and try out the GLO Lit. It is a teeth whitening tech kit. So this comes with basically all the things you need to lighten your teeth at home. I don't know what my dog is growling at, but he's growling at something in the corner and there's nothing in the corner. So not creepy at all, it's fine, it's fine. All right, but we are going to give this a try, but this should technically provide everything we need to whiten our teeth by a couple shades at home. And I just kind of realized I match the packaging, and I promise you I did not plan this at all, but I am really feeling it. I'm really enjoying all this color we've got going on. What we will find inside is the LED mouthpiece with guided light optics and Bluetooth power pack. And then we also will have 7 teeth whitening GLO vials, and that equals to 42 applications, okay? And then we also have the GLO lip care and then the GLO mouthpiece case. Okay, so it sounds like it's going to be pretty easy. I guess we have to download and sync some sort of app that maybe controls it all. And then you brush on the whitening gel and then you activate mouthpiece, okay? Let's open her up. I did check her out a couple days ago to make sure. I'm glad I did because I did have to charge this so it's ready for us to use today. I had to charge this. This is the mouthpiece case, I guess. This is the lip stuff that we put on before, and here are the vials. This thing powers the mouthpiece and it's kind of cool. You just take off this cap and there's a USB, so you're able to just plug it into, you know, one of those charging blocks in your wall or whatever. And so this should be ready for us to use today. Let's go into the user manual a little bit just to make sure we fully understand what is going on. So bear with me, I want to make sure that we're doing everything correctly. GLO Lit's proven guided light optics. Smiler technology harnesses the energy of gentle warming heat and safe 470 nm LED light to surround each tooth with more whitening power for accelerated results without sensitivity. That is great because I do have sensitive teeth, so I hope that this doesn't make it even more sensitive. And the gentle warming heat plus energy from safe LED light activates and accelerates the whitening gel. Internal reflectors bend and focus the heat and light towards the tooth surface. There is a little bit about the vial, easy pull off and replace cap, precision brush tip, and it's a refreshing mint flavor, super easy to squeeze. Each one is enough gel for at least 6 applications. So one of these vials, 6 applications each. And sorry, my dog is just doing his thing down here, so don't mind those weird grunting sounds. Okay, so pairing with the GLO whitening app. GLO Lit gives you hassle-free whitening optimized by the Easy GLO whitening app. Simply download and connect to preview results, customize treatments, track progress, and more. It's like your own personal whitening assistant. Okay, so app pairing instructions. Make sure your GLO Lit power pack is fully charged. Done, we are good. Download the GLO whitening app from the Apple Store. Okay, so let me do that right now. Okay, cool. I just put in GLO whitening and it seems to be the first one, so I'm going to get that downloading. So it is downloaded, so I'm going to open it up. And it says that on your mobile device, go to Settings, Bluetooth, turn on Bluetooth and open the GLO whitening app. Okay, my Bluetooth is on, opening up. And then press the button on your GLO Lit power pack once you power on. The indicator light will illuminate white. You are ready to connect. Okay, so there's only one button on here, so I'm assuming that's it. Okay, the light is on. Okay, I'm gonna sign up and put my information in. Now that I've signed up, now I see the get started. It's walking me through kind of like a plan my treatment thing. So it says standard is 3 times a day for 7-day treatment. And then there's kind of different ones, like standard 4 times a day for 5 days, even brighter 3 times a day for 14 days. Maybe I'll just do the standard 3 times a day for 7 days. Looks like we are working on pairing now. It looks like we are all paired. It says on here, apply lip treatment, pull off cap and squeeze a small bead of gel onto the GLO vial brush applicator. Brush thin layer of gel onto top and bottom teeth, fronts only. Insert mouthpiece and tap the GLO button on the next screen. Each application is timed for 8 minutes. Nice, I like this. It says whitening happens gradually. Take a before photo to track your progress. So I think that is really good. Let's go ahead and take a before photo. So let me just get a selfie here. Let's open up the mouthpiece to get that ready to go. Okay, so open it up. That was coiled in here, and then you flip it, and then here is the mouthpiece. Ah, so it looks like I clamped down on it. Okay, plug mouthpiece into fully charged power pack. Okay, plugging it in. Next, we put on this lip care, squeezing it onto my finger. Okay, that feels nice, that feels nice. So I'm not really sure what this is for, but maybe protecting our lips from the light. So apply that. Okay, so let me take out one of the whitening gel vials. Pulling off the cap. Squeeze small bead of gel, about half a pea size, onto the brush applicator tip. So then you brush thin layer of gel on top and bottom teeth, fronts only. A little goes a long way. And then you insert mouthpiece into mouth and start your whitening session using the GLO app. Mouthpiece will illuminate, reapply whitening gel, and then repeat. Each application is pre-timed for 8 minutes. The mouthpiece will turn off automatically when the 8-minute session is complete. After you finish your final application, press silver button twice to turn power pack off and plug it into USB power port to recharge. Oh, and before I get started, it has this kind of like tooth shade guide. And so I know my teeth aren't super yellow or anything, but I have noticed that my teeth have gotten yellower in the past year. Hence, I want to get ahead of it and make sure that I keep my teeth looking pretty white. So I'm looking at this shade chart and I think maybe I'm like a 3 or a 4. I want to just make sure that I get to like the white, the 1. Maybe I'm a little obsessed, I don't know. Okay, let's get started. Okay. Sorry, that was a little, you get a little spitty in there trying to hold this mouthpiece in. Thoughts? Okay, so that was 1 session down. I have 2 more to go, and we have to apply more of the whitening gel. First thoughts before I go into doing that, it didn't hurt at all. There was a little bit of warmth that I could feel, and I feel like my lips are feeling a little bit, tiny bit tingly, and so I don't know if it's because like the warmth mixed with the lip treatment or something like that, but totally pain-free. For the mouthpiece, before you put it in, I didn't think that it mattered which way you put it in, but it definitely is more comfortable for me. And you see this like plastic piece right here, then that's where you're going to bite down on lightly. And there is a little bit of a ledge on the bottom. And I would say that it is more comfortable to have the little ledge hooked onto the bottom teeth versus the top. The top, I felt like it didn't really fit my mouth very well, and I felt like it was straining my jaw a little bit to try to hold it in. But then I flipped it over and the little ledge is on my bottom tooth now, and I felt like I can lightly clamp down on it and it stayed, but then I was able to still relax my jaw and it was pretty comfortable. I have to reapply the gel and do the second session. And I feel like this gel applicator is super easy to use. You don't have to push really hard for the gel to come up. There's these little bristles at the tip here that kind of flex with the shape of your tooth and everything, and so it easily coats your tooth with the gel. So easy to use this as well. Okay. So second session down, and let's prep for the third session. Seriously, really, really easy. I'm just like sitting here, hanging out, checking Instagram, checking my emails, and my teeth are whitening. So moving forward, I think this will be really easy to kind of keep up with. I'll be doing this like while I work, while I watch TV. You could really do it anytime. So let's get prepped for the third session. Okay, we are done. It says, congratulations, you have finished your treatment for today, and I will continue to do 3 sessions a day for the next 6 days, so it'll be a total of a week, and I'll see how it all goes. So far, so good. I don't know if it's just all mental or what, but I feel like my teeth do look pretty white. So I'll continue to see how it all goes. I feel like I might get a little bit crazy and just like whiten every day. I'm gonna be like Ross. Have you guys seen that episode of Friends where Ross just like gets his teeth whitened and they're like glow in the dark, and Phoebe's like, demon, demon. So maybe I'm going for like Ross white teeth. I don't know, but I'm a little bit obsessed, so we'll see how it continues to go. Something that I also realized, I had some time to think while I was doing the whitening, and I was like, wow, I still have so much of the whitening gel in this one little vial. And when I was reading the manual on how to, you know, do everything, it said that one vial will last 6 applications, and I already did 3. So technically I should be halfway done with this one vial. So what I'm thinking is that I maybe not even used enough, because I basically did like half a pea size for all of my top teeth and then another half a pea size for all of my bottom teeth. But I'm wondering if I read the directions not right, and should I have used half a pea size for each tooth? So maybe I didn't even get down on the whitening today because I didn't use enough of the gel. Anyway, it said that a little bit goes a long way, and honestly I feel pretty good about the results, and we'll see how it goes as I continue to use it. But I think next time I will make sure that I am using a good amount of gel to make sure that I'm getting the most bang out of my time. And then I think just to take care of this, it says to just rinse the mouthpiece under some warm water and then let it air dry, and make sure that you don't get this stuff wet, of course. So I will go ahead and unplug it. I will charge this so it's ready for me tomorrow, and then I will make sure to rinse this mouthpiece under warm water and make sure that you don't get the plug wet. It says in the directions that you should not eat at least 20 minutes after you're done with your treatments, and then obviously make sure that you stay away from like teeth staining foods like coffee and things like that. If you're drinking coffee, maybe use a straw. I heard that that was a really good tip. I don't drink coffee that much, but I'll be sure to try to stay away from any of the teeth staining foods while I'm going through these treatments, but at least wait 20 minutes before you eat afterwards. But overall, I enjoyed it, and I love that I can do it all at home, and so I will be sure to be really diligent about it for the next week, and I will report back in next week's video to see how it all goes down. As always, I will be sure to link all of this that I used today in the description box below for you to check out yourself. Please let me know if you have any questions or suggestions in the comment section below. I want to make sure that I'm using it correctly. Thank you guys so much for being here as always, and if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so you're notified as soon as I post my next video. And please don't forget, always take care of yourselves and each other, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!